Hello, all lovely people. This is my soft noodle salad with black chicken and roasted peanuts. So, going to bring a pan of water to boil. Now, I actually cheat and I buy my Hoka noodles pre-cooked from Woolies. They are fantastic. My favorite noodles, Hoka noodles. And the dried ones don't really cut the mustard. So, you're going to add a good pinch of Mazel chicken stock powder, or you can use Knorr chicken stock powder. I prefer Mazel. It just has a nicer flavor. You don't have to add that either. I just like to season all my water. So add the noodles in. You're just going to do this to loosen them up a bit. You can do it in the microwave, but to be honest, it's actually nicer this way. Now you can see it's all nice and loose. Try not to overcook them because there is nothing worse than a soggy, soft noodle. You want it slightly al dente. Okay, chef's tip. Put a tea towel underneath your chopping board and it will prevent it from slipping. Okay, time to chop up our red pepper. Take a slice, chop out the membrane, de-seed it, discard. As you can see, I'm finely dicing it. You can keep it sliced if you like. I like to dice everything myself. Okay, next job is we're going to very thinly slice a spring onion. Now here's another tip. Don't throw away your little roots from your spring onions. If you actually put them in water, literally in about 2 or 3 days, you'll see the inside of it grow up, and then plant them in the garden and you've got spring onions. Okay, red onion. Now this is a very important tip. When you're doing red onions in a salad, they have to be really thin. If you're not happy with chopping something thin like that, the other alternative is with a potato peeler. It cuts it really, really thin. So you see that black knife that I'm using? It's a Victorinox knife. It's very, very sharp. I'll actually just add a little link down below on where you can get them. They are amazing for cutting things thin. Right, grab out the inside of your chili peppers. Dice them really, really finely. If you want it to be extra spicy, leave the seeds in, but if you don't, take them out. Okay, now for the magic. 2 large tablespoons of Denice's black sauce. Give it a really good toss because you want the noodles to soak up all that black stuff. You can actually heat these noodles up or you can serve them cold. Add all your lovely greeny, ready, gorgeous stuff. See this? I add a lot of coriander to my salad because I love it. If you don't like coriander, don't put it in. I also like roasted peanuts or roasted cashew nuts in my salad. Again, that's also an option. So here we have the sticky black chicken that I showed you how to make in the previous post. You can have them on your own or toss it into your salad. It's also amazing with mashed potato. Cut it thin enough that it's like bite-sized pieces, or you can do it in chunks, or you can do it in little tiny little pieces as well. That's fine. It's entirely up to yourself. Clean your board, and that's it. I hope you enjoy this salad as much as I do, and all the other people that I've cooked for it previously. See you soon.